Today we're going to be doing 1.2F2. So for our first three problems, you're going to solve them like you always do. However, you want to do that, you can use counters, manipulatives, math tools. So 4 and 1 I know is 5. 3 and 3 is a doubles fact, so I know that's 6. And 5 and 1, I know 5 and 1 more is 6. How many soccer balls are there in all? Okay, well I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I know each of these is a group of 10, so I'm going to put a ring around it. 10, 20, 30. Write the missing numbers. Okay, well I see 25, 26. So I know I'm counting by ones, and I'm going to count backwards 1, which is 24. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 36, 37. I see I'm counting by ones. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, and 49, 48, 47, 46, 45. Callie had a dime in her pocket. Which coin below shows the coin Callie has? Okay, so I'm going to look at my coins. Well, I see there's no neck, so I know that's my nickel. Here's my dime, because I see FDR, and I see it's the most modern looking coin. Here's my Abraham Lincoln penny, and here's my George Washington quarter. I'm looking for my dime, so I know it's this coin right here. Use the open number line to correctly locate the numbers. So what I'm going to do first is find the numbers with the smallest and largest magnitudes. 4 has the smallest magnitude because there are 0 tens, so I'm going to put that first. Then I want to look for my lump number with the largest magnitude, and I'm going to put that last. So I'm going to say, okay, 30 has 3 tens, 10 has 1 10, and 14 has 1 10. So I know 30 has the largest magnitude. So now I need to figure out which comes next, 10 or 14. Well, I know 10 has 0 ones, and 14 has 4 extra leftover ones. And I'm going to think, where am I going to put 10 and 14? They're going to be closer to the 4. So I'm going to write 10, and 14 is going to be very close to that 10. And that's ugly, so I'm going to just write it again. Write 21, 24, and 36 on the open number line. So I'm going to look at my numbers. The first thing I'm going to see is 21 is my least number. My greatest number is 36 because it has 3 groups of 10. And then I'm going to look at my next number, 24, and I'm going to think, where is 24 closer to? Is it closer to 21, or is it closer to 36? I think it's going to be closer to a 21 because both of them have 2 groups of 10, so I'm going to put it closer to 21. Order these numbers from least to greatest using the number line. Okay, so I'm looking for least to greatest. That means my smallest number is going first. I see 11, 18, and 14. All of these have 1 group of 10, so I'm going to look at my ones place next. I know 11 comes next. Then I'm going to think, who has less ones? Is it 8 or 4? 4 is less than 8, and then 18 has my greatest number of ones. Order these numbers from greatest to least using the number line. Oh, when I'm doing greatest to least, I know the largest number is going to go first, and the smallest number is going to go last. So here's my numbers, and I'm going to think, all right, what is my largest number? Well, they all have 1 group of 10. But I see 15 has 5 ones, 10 has 0, and 12 has 2. So 15 is my largest number. Then I'm looking at 0 and 2. 2 is more than 0. So 10 must be my least number.